Chai, Omona, today I know say this pan as a bitch. 2 against 1, 2020 fufu. Wow. Hey, let's find out who is going to be the winner of this game. Make sure you share the video after watching, guys.
15 to 20, Samo. 2 against 1. 15 to 20 against Pana. This is down with 6 Samo out of 15. I told you guys cannot compete with Pana. Pana is something else. Pana is something else. 4 left. To win 150,000 naira. Pana is having 3 left. Out of 15 Samo. And 2 is playing against 1. What did that big way? You pull on pay. Why did that big way? Pull on pay. Pana is just pitching them. He's pitching them now. Pana, please continue. Pana, continue, please. Over 9-1. 15 Samo. This boy at 15 Samo at the goal. I'm not lost Pana. Pana, please win them. Let's go. Win them. No pity them. 15 to 20 Samo. He at 15 at the goal. Pana, finish off now. Pana, don't pity them. Pana, help them. How will you guys come and challenge Pana for 15 Samo, 2 against 1, and you want them? Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Pana does default 15 Samo. Pana does